There are tons of ways to mount your iPhone, but this one's in a league of its own. Compact, versatile, and built like pro gear, meet the Platypod Mag Deluxe Set. We use our phones everywhere, on desks, kitchen counters, coffee tables, even in studios, and having them stand upright or sideways or just at the right tilt makes a huge difference. Whether you're watching a video, jumping on a meeting, or shooting photos, this setup adapts perfectly. Let's start with the setup, and don't worry, it's simple. First, tighten the main lever on the MagGrip stem. Next, tighten the arm of the Mag unit onto that stem. Attach the MagGrip stem to the Platypod Basic Plus 4-inch plate. Pop the MagSafe-Compatible charge pad onto the magnetic ring. And finally, plug the cable into a USB-C power source, or use the included USB-A adapter for your power. And that's it! You're ready to mount your phone. Charge it instantly with a strong magnetic hold and lift it off just as easily when you're done. If your phone doesn't have MagSafe built in, that's no problem. Skip those last two steps and mount your phone directly onto the magnetic ring using the included adhesive metal adapter and plug it in with your own charging cable. You'll get that same rock-solid hold and perfect positioning just without the wireless charging part. You'll also see that there's a plastic nut on the back of the mag ring where it attaches to the metal mounting arm. You want to loosen that to reposition your mag ring mount high or low or at an angle. Then tighten it back down to minimize the movement of that magnetic ring. Now let's take things up a notch. Photographers and content creators are going to love this. The MagGrip stem isn't just a desk mount. It's got 1/4, 20, and 3/8-inch sockets and an Arca-compatible shaped base, so you can mount it on a tripod, a light stand, or a ball head. The magnetic charging pad keeps your phone powered the whole time. And because it charges through the back, your phone's port stays open for accessories like microphones or portable SSDs. You can stream, shoot, or video chat for hours without running out of power. If you're looking for the perfect gift, the Platypod Mag Deluxe Set comes beautifully packaged in a premium pull-out gift box. It's practical, elegant, and built to last. A gift you'll actually want to show off. Whether you're a photographer, creator, or you just want a smarter setup for your phone, this is the ultimate phone mounting upgrade. So go ahead and grab one for a friend, and maybe one for yourself too. Your secret's safe with us.